This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Friday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. It was another volatile day on Wall Street today, which saw a 1,000-point move from opening to close. Opening the day down 700 points. About a half hour before closing bell, it was actually up 300 points, finishing the day down 112. President Bush said the government's financial rescue plan was aggressive enough and big enough to work, but would take time to fully kick in. The president spoke as leaders of the world's leading economies are gathering in Washington for a G7 financial meeting this weekend. Economic news today, the Commerce Department said the nation's trade deficit narrowed by 3.5% to $59.1 billion. Exports dropped by 2% in August, which is the biggest decline since June of 2004. Labor Department reports U.S. import prices falling 3% in September. That's the second consecutive month of declines and the largest decline since the index fell 3.1% in April of 2003. General Motors says it's not considering bankruptcy protection. News reports quoting the company saying bankruptcy would not be in the interest of their employees, stockholders, suppliers, or customers, to say the least. Wells Fargo emerging as the apparent victor in the battle for control of Wachovia, while Citigroup said it plans to seek $60 billion in damages for breach of contract. It has decided not to challenge the Wells Fargo-Wachovia deal in court. Economic reports coming out next week. There's a group of them: retail sales, producer price index, the Empire State Index, inventories, Beige Book, consumer price index, industrial production, home builders index, housing starts, consumer sentiment, just to name a few. Earnings today: General Electric saying third quarter profit fell 22%. Chevron reporting its profit rising 11%. And MS Communications reporting earnings for the quarter falling to $1.2 million, or 3 cents a share. Analysts had been forecasting a break even. Earnings next week: Citigroup, Intel, Coke, Nokia, Google, Johnson & Johnson, Genentech, Bank of the Ozarks, Capital One Financial, Continental Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and Domino's Pizza, just to name a few of the big companies reporting earnings next week. Stocks in the news today include Atlas Air Worldwide Holdings paring its estimate of pre-tax earnings from operations this year to $65 million from $85 million. Ford had its B long-term corporate credit rating put on credit watch for possible downgrade by S&P, and American International Group boosting its borrowing from the government by $9 billion. And that is the latest. I'm Jack Lott on Market Wrap here on the James Dix Financial Network.